Welcome everybody to my channel. I'm not a professional, just someone who loves Bali, its people, culture, food and Bing Chang. Hope you enjoy it as much as I do.
As you walk past Luciolo, you'll come to Petitenget Beach. That's how you say it. And around the corner from there, this is car park, which leads to a more array of coffee shops, more array of places to entertain yourself. The offerings are being given out for the gods. Breakfast. Of course, there are villas everywhere. Parking's $2,000 for bikes, $5,000 for cars. Money changer sign over there with a higher rate than you normally get. Don't do it. You're leading yourself to be ripped off. Always go to a registered trader. Air conditioned room, offices, flat desk, so you can't see sleight of hand if you go to the others. You might get a better rate, but you will get ripped off. Up that street, JL Petitenget is the best high tea you'll ever find in Bali. Come around, just look it up, best high tea in Bali on Google and you'll find it. Here you got the shrimp. Never been in there, been told it's very good. As you walk down across the bridge, past shrimps, you'll come to Mexicola. And if you follow that street all the way up, you'll end up at Seminyak Square. Bosberger's Seminyak village. If you turn off to the right, you'll end up at the back of Coup d'Etat, the flea market. Again, the Seminyak village. Everything leads in one huge circle. And all I can tell you is, enjoy the walk. It's hot. And I can say one thing. Once you get to Seminyak village, stop off and get yourself a nice iced frappe. You're going to need it. Stumpy signing off. This is the rear entrance, or I should say front entrance to Coup d'Etat. We're just around the corner from Seminyak Square. If we walk down this sides alley, which is right next to the entrance, you'll be back at the beach where I started this video, and only about 10 to 15 minutes from your hotel. One of the residents. Entrance to Coup d'Etat. You got to come here at night. It's absolutely fantastic. Good morning, sir.
How are you?
Not bad, yourself?
Very good, thank you.
I like walking around 6 to 7 in the morning where it's at its probably its coolest. So we've already gone from the centre of Seminyak to the beach in around a minute or so. And now that you see a group of gentlemen, you must get Melbourne's version of the Brighton bathers. They're here every single morning, cleansing themselves in the beach. What a way to wake up to the day.